Hi guys, myself Ashwin. I'm from Jain Deemed to be University, Jayanagar. Now today we are doing a short interview process to strangest peoples about sustainability. Let's go and ask them questions about sustainability and see what they answer. Come, let's go.
Do you think sustainable development is important in today's world?
You can see that in the development of accounting and the world growth is going in AI, whereas people want to learn many things and source of development and increasing the growth of population. Each and every person should know how to work and how to behave in the society, and he should learn each and every new things and be sustained in the society so that he can grow and grow in his person.
This is Dinesh Chaudhary. I'm 29 years old and an independent uncle.
Why do you think sustainable development is important in today's world?
It improves the quality of life without harming the planet.
I am Arjun Chaudhary, a sales executive. I'm 32 years old.
Why do you think sustainable development in today's world is important?
It's very important because it keeps our earth healthy and clean. Self in the 17 years old and a dropout.
Why do you think sustainable development is important in today's world?
It protects the environment for future generations.
Do you believe people today care enough about the planet?
They do care, but our actions do not match the urgency it requires.
Do you believe today people care enough about the planet?
Interest is there, but action is missing.
Do you believe people today care enough about the planet?
Yes, people care about this planet and some may know.
Do you believe people today care enough about the planet?
Some care, some don't. They only believe when it's easy.
Do you believe people today care enough about the planet?
People care, but not enough to make a real difference.
Do you believe people today care enough about the planet?
I think people today don't care enough about the planet, but they pretend they do, so their brands boost up. Thank you.
What does recycling stand for? I think it's used for energy. What does recycling stand for? It's prevent disasters. Thank you. What does recycling stand for? Use green energy. Thank you. Yeah. What does recycling stand for?
Pollution would be reduced.
Thank you. What does recycling stand for? What does SDG stands for? Thank you.
Hello.
Hello.
What is your name?
My name is Aman Kumar.
Okay, can I ask you one question?
Yeah.
What is the biggest cause of global warming?
The biggest cause of global warming is deforestation, coal mining.
Thank you. What is the biggest cause of global warming?
I believe to be industrialization and deforestation.
Thank you. I mean, what is the biggest cause of global warming?
One of the biggest causes of global warming is like cutting trees and the pollution from cars and stuff.
I mean, what is the biggest cause of global warming?
I think it's pollution from factories and burning waste.
Thank you. Global warming.
I think it is cutting of trees and pollution from the factory.
Okay, thank you. What do you mean now? What is the biggest cause of global warming?
Cutting trees and pollution of cars.
Thank you.
Listening to the strangest people answers, we got many different types of answers. It's positive, negative, all types of answers. By seeing all this, I'm coming to conclude people do care about the planets, but not enough to create a real change. While awareness about cutting trees, climate changes, and deforestation, pollutions, vehicle pollution, this and all very harm to the environment. By this, at the same time, the world is rapidly developing in AI, but people are eager to learn many things and improve their quality of life. But true progress means balancing development in sustainability, protecting our healthy and clean environment, support a better quality life to our future and future generation, fighting climate change, reducing pollution, using clean water and clean energy, and saving planet is not choice, it's a necessity and we should do it. But at the end I want to say that caring is not enough, we need to act it. Thank you.